Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the basics. Know the Apple ID email and have your device unlocked with its passcode or Face ID. Once done, open Settings on iPhone or System Settings on Mac and make sure iCloud Keychain is active so saved credentials are accessible. If Keychain isn't enabled, you'll move to a reset, so enable it now only if prompted. Make sure two-factor authentication can deliver a code to a trusted device or phone number, because you'll need it next. Next, check if your Apple ID password is stored in iCloud Keychain. On iPhone, open Settings Passwords. On Mac, open Safari Preferences Passwords or System Settings Passwords, then search for Apple Com or Apple ID. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode to reveal the saved password. If no entry exists, use Settings Your Name Password and Security Change Password, and follow on-screen identity verification with your device passcode or a two-factor code to set a new password. To finish, sign back into iCloud and Apple services on every device using the revealed or newly created password. Make sure Keychain updates saved credentials so future access is seamless. Test by opening iCloud and App Store to confirm no re-authentication prompts remain. If you cannot authenticate or view a saved password, begin Apple's account recovery flow or contact Apple support. Don't reuse insecure passwords. One troubleshooting tip: if two-factor codes don't arrive, check trusted numbers and device time settings, then try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.